What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be answering 3 of your questions. So number 1 question is how you can go and find out that how much more watch time do I really need and how many more subscribers do I really need to get monetized to my YouTube channel. So another question is how many months do I really need. So it's like 12 months, but how you can go and find out that how many last 365 days. People don't understand how you can go and find out by last 365 days of their YouTube channel and all. So let's get started and let's see how we can go and find that out. So right now you can see my channel, so I'm going to go and show you how you can go and find out that how many watch time do I really need and how much more subscriber do I really need to get more monetization of my YouTube channel. So I'm going to go and click on Creator Studio. It will show you the new YouTube Studio with new beta, but I'm going to go to Creator Studio Classic. I will say I need really more time to learn how it is used. After your channel has been shown, as you can see, I have not getting any revenue from YouTube because I really need some watch time to my YouTube videos. So how we can go and find out is click on channels. After that it will show you monetization is not enabled, so that means I'm not getting any ads on my YouTube videos, and that means I'm not getting any money. So how we can go and find out how much more watch time do I really need. So I'm going to go and click on learn more. As you can see, it is showing me that I have already got some subscribers, and as it is showing me green check mark, that means I have achieved that milestone and I really need some watch time, and it is showing 12 months. It's not like I have made my channel which is like 12 months older, but I'm not getting any of that. But you have to go and see last 365 days. Now how you can go and find out last 365 days and that becomes 12 months. So I'm going to go and show you what last 365 days of watch time do it really means. So I'm going to go and click on analytics. After the analytics has been open, you have to go and click on watch time. Now as you can see, watch time has been appearing and it is showing me last 28 days. Now we have to go and click on that and we have to go with last 365 days, and I'm going to go ahead and hit on enter, and it will show me last 365 days of my watch time, and it is showing me the date as well as from on which date I am recording this video and I'm watching this analytics of my YouTube videos. Now it is going to go and appear different for each and every individual, so it has to go and see that your channel is growing or not. I'm not getting any watch time of my more than 400 also in my months. So as you can see, it is less than that 400. Now it becomes a peak at more than 1000 watch time, and again it hit on the peak. It goes to 1200 of watch time. As you can see, it is going gradually up and up, and that's how it will go and gradually become more than a watch time, and that means I'm going to go and earn some monetization. Now it depends on how you can go and get some watch time. Don't go and see your own video and make it to a watch time. If you watch it from your own computer, if you watch it from your own channel, that means YouTube will find out that it is coming from the same IPs from same computer, and that means you're not going to get monetization. So it will find out that your channel is actually gradually working, or you are actually buying some watch time from any other YouTubers or any other computer. So that's about it for this video. Make sure to make it much more convenient and much more proper way so that YouTube actually monetize your channel, and that's how you can go and earn money on your YouTube channel. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazar and I'm signing out.